Guys, yes, same day. It's because I'm filming like a bunch of videos and I'm just like, so I can have them there, and I can upload them. But yeah, that's why it looks the same. I said I was gonna, and in the last video I said I was gonna, which was like 20 seconds ago, I was gonna show you these. But yeah, look what's happening. It's just not working. So I'm gonna do one and hopefully it should hold, because the ones that I got they hold like 56 pounds each. It says there's strong something, but I'll find out what they are. And yeah, guys, it came out 26 bucks on Rock Auto. Rock Auto came in clutch. They were like 765 each. So it takes two. I'm gonna do this side and then I'm gonna see um, how it is, so I can show you guys how to take them off. I got a flathead, so I'm thinking you just put it through that little slot. Where is it? Through that little slot right there. It's too far. And you pop that forward. But let me see so I can show you guys. Let me do one. Alright guys, we're gonna do a little unboxing right now. So yeah, my sister got me these for Christmas. Early Christmas. I was like, that's what I want. She's like, okay. So actually, my brother-in-law, so thanks, Miguel. Let's see. Ooh, what the heck is that? Look at that car. You guys can see it. If you guys know, comment down below. Check them out. High pressure gas. What? Contraction? Wow. Do not take apart. Yeah, no, it'll blow up. Made in China. I see all those TikToks. Ooh, it has little grease inside. You guys can't see it. But... wow. Alright then. Let's try one now. I'm gonna take you guys off the thing. Wait, what else did it come with? Oh well, it came with the package. That's cool. Strong arm. I was like, what the hell is it called? Strong arms. That's what those are called. I don't know what they were called. So, my bad. Thanks to the buck 119. Got me. Got the package open. That's the return thing if it don't fit. But well, they took one out the package and they stuck one out the package. I wonder why. Oh, it goes like that down. Well, let's do it like that for presentation. It has to be the right way. It just bothers me. And I was gonna put it that way, but I was like, nah, I feel like but no, you wanted to. You wanted to show. Wow, strong arm going hard. Yeah, guys, you can't beat that. Amazon. I keep saying Amazon because I get a lot of things from Amazon and Rock Auto. Those are the only two that are good for me right now. I don't really go eBay, guys. So that's why I always say Amazon, because I always get a lot of stuff from Amazon. And I like popping these things. And that's it. Ooh. That was a double popper. Okay, let me try one. Oh, let me show them to you first. Okay, there goes my screwdriver. But yeah. Those are it, guys. This is the part number. I would think it'd be the part number because it's right there on top. D6803. Mustang, 1998. Strong arm. Wow. Pretty cool. And it came with a magnet. Sweet. Put that in the truck. But yeah, let me put one on and then I'll show you how to put the other one on. Because this is my first time doing it, guys, and I've never done it, so we're going to see how it goes. Alright, guys. Check it out. I was like, how am I going to show you? Because I got one hand. Yeah, and we can mess up this old one anyways. Not mess it up, but stick it right in here. Oh wow, okay, that one just came out easy. And the same thing with the bottom, and that's it. And I'll show you how to do the new one, how to preset it, if you want to call it that. Oh, that was a nice single cab old school truck. Let's see if you guys can see it. Single cab, like early 1990s. Oh, that was super clean, man. Anyways, yeah, look at this. Oh, what the heck? No wonder it almost broke my neck. I think I almost fell on my neck one time. So, yeah, look, it's strong enough to hold one. Maybe if you guys want to buy one and said, screw it, I could only afford one, you know, because, you know, it came out at 26. It took out like $1 off because they sent me a 5% discount. I guess the bigger the price, the more they drop off for the discount. But it's 5%. I'll put it down below, guys, because I can share it with you guys and stuff. They told me I could. So I'm going to share it with you guys, and I'll put it down there if you guys want to order some parts and stuff. So, yeah, the more you buy, the less it's going to be. The little you buy, it's going to take off like $1, maybe 50 cents sometimes. This took off like $1, I think, or 70-some cents. Not more than $1. But, yeah, if you don't want to, I guess you can clean these, because I didn't say you can clean these. Like, I didn't, like, say. But, yeah. Yeah, just clean them like that. That's good. I didn't do that side, but yeah, I should have. But yeah, let me pause you guys and get it out the package. That's what it looks like. I already showed you guys. All right, guys, mine are popped up like that. You can just pop them up and lift it up. Same thing, and you can tell one's out and one's in. If yours are both facing, like if that hole is facing the same as that, just spin the top. It'll spin the whole little I forgot the name, not the plunger, but the what's the actuator that's in there. But just pop it in. It has grease in there. That little white stuff you see is grease. So you just pop it in there and move it up. And see, you can hear it even click. Same thing with this one. Pop it in there and bring it down. Just like that. And there you go. So now we have lift support. Yeah, boy. Oh shit, I can't even close it. Damn, this sucker's strong as hell. If this is 56 and 56, that's like 100 and plus pounds. Look at that. Where's the keys? Ooh, I left the keys inside the trunk. I'm like, oh, I got one hand. Oh, I got the camera. I'm gonna show you some tools, parts, something. Even looks like a robot. Like when it goes up. Again. Ooh, that's freaking nice, bro. Thanks to Strong Arm. Maybe you guys want to see that? Trying to get that information for you guys. There you go. That's information on it. I guess that's the part number. 10521 G-A or something. Or maybe it's 46803P. Type one of those two numbers, it should come out, guys. But that's how you install lift supports, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.